What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and we need to talk about Clove stock, which has seen some crazy action today and yesterday. Now, let's look at the chart. So, right here we have Clove, and we are down less than 1% today, which is not bad, right? After what we saw yesterday, we can expect to be down a little bit as some institutions and traders, as some traders take their profits and some institutions short. I'll get into that a little bit later. But we can see that over the past 10 days, we've had some crazy action with Clove, right? We had the earnings call, which shot us all the way up to $10. And since then, we had sank down to $7.34 as our low. And after that, that actually rallied us into what we're currently experiencing, a rally that took us all the way up to $9.10 just yesterday, and that is actually a 23% gain from 734 to 910. So that's pretty impressive, and a lot of investors who, especially the ones who are buying at these lower price points, are very excited to see that Clove has shot up 23% over the course of just 3 days. That's a pretty good gain for any stock, Clove especially. And what we're looking at now is actually a very pivotal moment right here, right? We're seeing some volatility in a certain 30-cent range right here from about 850 to 880. And this is really going to help decide which direction Clove continues in, right? If we keep going up, if we can break out of this range and especially break past $9, right? You see yesterday we tried to do that. We shot up above $9 very briefly, and then a massive red bar took us down, and we tried breaking past it twice more. And actually 3 times, once in the aftermarket, and we're unable to do it. This morning, in the pre-market, we got pretty close, but not actually touching 9. And now we are kind of bouncing around in this range, actually shooting out of this range. This is pretty good for Clove investors right here, especially if we can break $9, because that is the next resistance level that we have just experienced on our way to 10. And if we can break past 10 and hold past 10, then I actually think Clove has a lot of hope looking forward, because I think that's when institutions would start having to close their short positions. They would start getting worried that Clove was actually going to be spiking up much more than $10. You can see it's happened a couple of times, right? We've gotten very close to 10, and this time on the earnings call, we actually got to 10. However, institutions pushed us down and didn't allow us to sustain a hold. And for more retail investors to hear about this and get excited, you can see it's actually only in the pre-market that this was allowed to happen. Now, what's going on with Clove right now is we are bouncing back up alongside a lot of meme stocks, right? If you look at AMC, AMC is shooting up over the past couple of days. GameStop also shooting up over the past couple of days. So Clove, of course, is going to be following in sympathy with these stocks, right? And that's what we're currently experiencing. That's why we're not even down. We're almost break even on the stock today, right? We're almost in the green, and I think that we could potentially end today in the green, especially if we can get past $9. I think that that would be the final nail in the coffin for these shorts temporarily, right? I don't think the shorts would be too interested in selling additional shares if we're breaking past 9. And at 10, I think they'd probably be closing their positions. But we can look at the current percent of short floated. It actually has, as you can see, increased to 15% right here. And this is interesting because in the last video I made, we were down at 12%. So obviously, some shorts are stepping in, trying to stop this thing. Over the past couple of days, I believe I made my last video a day or two ago, and we were around closer to $8, right? And now some institutions must be stepping in and trying to short this thing to stop it from rising. And what's very impressive is that it has been able to rise a massive amount, 23%, even though the shorts are increasing their percent, or increasing the short shares that they're holding. And now we're actually green on the day, you can see, up 0.11%. So Clove overall, I think what's important to note with this stock is you really have to watch out for the price action today, right? You want to see us breaking above this resistance level of $9, and it looks like we're well on our way to doing it. We're actually shooting up quite a bit. This is pretty good news right here. This green bar is fairly massive, so very exciting stuff that we're seeing for Clove. We're up 0.5%. And hopefully we can sustain a hold above $9. Now, if we can, I suspect that short sellers will stop shorting, right? I don't think that they'll be pumping too much more into their short positions, because they know that if Clove hits 10 and holds above 10, that's going to be very dangerous for them. So they're going to be actually looking to exit their short positions, I suspect, above $10. And if we're just getting closer to $10, then they're going to be less likely to want to open up new ones. Though maybe, if a bunch of them coordinate and all do it at once, they could push the price down again. Hopefully that doesn't happen. So that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. I know this was a short video. I try to keep these short and sweet. So something that you can do if you're interested in getting some free stocks is there is a Webull referral link. I'll say that real quick. And other than that, if you want to subscribe, feel free, no pressure. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.